Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are gonna do a get ready with me and we are gonna use some new products like the new Natasha Denona concealer, the new lip oil, is not a lip oil, the lip stain from Huda, the new Vivid Brights from NYX. I have the new shade of the Rare Beauty bronzer, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. Good morning, I am very excited for this video because I really want to test these products. So let's start. I'm gonna prep the lips with lip plumper. This one is from Babe Glow, not my favorite product, but it will do because I want to see if the lip stain will look nice on top of a hydrated and a bit smoother lip. This is a first impression of this lip stain, so I don't know what is the deal with that, but I just want to be prepared. So let's start with primer. I got this small package of the Milk Hydro Grip primer and I did test this one in the past and I didn't like it, but at that time I was not using hydrating and glowy foundations, and for today we are gonna use this one and let's see if I do like the Milk one or not. When you are testing a lot of products, your taste is changing and you learn some stuff as well. I do know now better how to apply this primer, how to use it, what type of foundation works better on top. So while this is sinking in, let's talk about the foundation. I'm gonna use the Born to Glow from NYX. I have in here the shade Vanilla. I am very interested in the new foundation from NYX. It's not even new at this point, but it's not available in Romania and it is driving me nuts. I really want to test that foundation. I hope it will be available in June or July. So I'm gonna apply this foundation on top and this combo should work really nice because this is a glowy and easy to spread foundation and it will not be stuck in one place. Is this shade too dark for my neck? Maybe a tiny bit. I just want to go by the pool because it's time, but they are not open here yet, so I am waiting, but I don't have any self-tanner on my neck. We are starting with a beautiful base. I am very happy, so we can just see how this concealer works. I hope this is a good shade for me. I bought it online. It's not available in store yet, at least not here. This is the Hyglam concealer from Natasha Denona and I am excited. I bought the shade number N1 and let's just apply it. I am very curious. I'm gonna apply a bit like this to start with and let's see how the coverage is and if it is easy to blend. So this is the before and after. It looks pretty good. Let's apply on the other side. The shade is really nice for me, so I'm glad that at least that part is okay. It's not a very liquidy concealer. Does it have a description in here? Brightening and hydrating crease-proof serum concealer. About the crease-proof part, I don't know because I heard some mixed opinions. But let's see. Usually I don't have problems with creasing because I am using always a loose powder and I am putting a good quantity of powder, and this hair it has a mind of its own. So far it looks really nice. Let's see if it is covering some pimples because I have some of those on this cheek. I can see the hydrating part, but the serumy part I don't see it. It's not that liquidy compared to the NYX, for example. The NYX one is a lot more liquidy and that one is a serum concealer, so but it is covering. It is like a medium coverage, for sure not a full, but it looks good. So far I do enjoy it. Let's apply some cream product. I'm gonna apply this one. This is the new shade of the Rare Beauty cream bronzer. I love it. Spoiler alert, I think the project pen is already up or will be very soon up. I am almost done with my other one, so I decided to purchase another shade. This is the bright side shade, and this is a bit of a more cool toned shade. So let's just apply it in here, because I already know that this formula is perfection, really. I love this one. It's so easy to blend. It's so popular, but for a really good reason. It's unbelievably easy to blend, easy to work with. It has really nice colors as well. Look at this. It was just so incredibly easy to blend. Let's talk about blush next. I do have another shade of the Fenty one. I adore this formula. It is the cream blush from Fenty. It is called Cheeks Out, and I bought the orange one. This is Fuego Flush. So I have a very orangey blush, and then a berry lip, and as well the Vivid Brights liner that I have is pink. So I got inspired really from this packaging from Fenty, the newer one with pink and orange. So we are gonna do a pink and orange everything. So cheeks will be a bit more on the orangey side, lips will be a bit more on the pink side, and then we are gonna do a pink and orange eye look, and I think that could look really amazing. Look at this cheek. I can't with this blush, it's stunning. I really love this formula. If you don't know, this is my third one. The first one I did finish, the second one I really enjoy, and this one has some shimmers in it as well, and I can see them on the cheeks, but in the best way possible. So what I'm gonna do next is actually put a bit of the Huda powder under the eyes and on the T-zone, and then we are gonna finish the cheeks with some other products. Let's see on the under eyes. If you can see, I have some lines here, so it did crease, but let's blend it out and put some powder, and I think it should be fine. Okay, so I put a pretty decent quantity of powder. Usually I am doing this, I am baking and then removing the powder with the excess fallout, and then apply some setting spray, and usually my base looks pretty amazing. So let's apply a bit more blush. I decided on this one because it has some pink and orange. This is originally a highlighter. It is the Pixi Vitamin C, and because it is a highlighter, it has a lot of shimmers and everything. I'm gonna put just a tiny bit of this to set my blush down, and at the end maybe we will apply a bit more of the Fenty one. And let's apply some highlighter. I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury and just put a bit on the high point in here. Blend it out with my finger. This is the best way that I found for this one. This is in Spotlight. I'm gonna do the brows and be right back because I don't have anything new for brows. Okay, brows are done and I just love them. I just opened another Too Faced Fluff and Hold, and it's so good, and I really like a nice new one. So let's do lips. I'm gonna use the shade Nude number 1.5 from Nabla as a lip liner, and then we are gonna use the shade Berry Kiss from Fenty. This is called Lip Blush, and we are gonna let this one, it is a lip stain thingy, we are gonna let this one be on the lips until the end of the video, and then I have a gloss to put on top. This is the ABH gloss. It is the clear one, and it is a mini because I got it in a gift thingy from Sephora. So we are gonna do that and see how the lips look. I just removed the excess of the lip plumper. Okay, so these are the lips done. Not the easiest product to apply, but keep in mind this is actually my first lip stain that I am testing, so I don't have experience, and it got stuck a bit on the lip pencil, so not the best application. I think it is my fault, but we are gonna see. It is pretty liquidy, so I think a thin layer is what you are supposed to do, and I applied just a bit too much, so I'm not gonna judge it too harshly today because, like I said, I don't have experience, and of course these first impressions are just first impressions, so I'm gonna come back and let you know after I'm testing them in different ways and with different combos what I really think about these products. We are gonna use the Juvia's Place eye primer. I decided to use this one today because I always use the Sigma one, so let's switch it out just a bit. This is the Sigma 3D HD Precision brush. I love this brush for this step. It is just perfect. For eyeshadows, I'm gonna use these 3 palettes. I'm not gonna talk about the eyeshadow too much because I just want to do a orange and pink look, but I'm gonna use for sure this orange, and then the pastels I'm gonna use from the Natasha Denona pastel palette. I'm gonna use these, and then I'm gonna use some pinks and some shimmers probably from the Hela palette. I will use this hot pink and maybe some of these on the lid. So let's start with the orange. I'm gonna do orange on the outer edge in here, and then pink in the inner part of the eye in here, of the eyelid, and then I need to decide where I'm gonna put this one. So just placing the orange like this, and I'm gonna put all of the shades from the top on the lower lash as well. Okay, so something like this for now. Next I'm gonna take another brush and the hot pink, and I'm gonna put that one in here, just on the lid. I'm not gonna put it very high because it is a bit of a darker pink. We are gonna blend the edges and it will look a bit more defined, but so far we are looking exactly like the Fenty packaging. I'm taking the pastel orange and just blending the edges in here and putting this one into the crease, and I'm just gonna do the same with the pink in just a second. It was a bit too cool toned, so I'm using the shade that is lighter from the Hela palette, and this one is a warmer pink, so I prefer this one. Now I'm just intensifying the colors because I don't want to lose any of the bright pink or the bright orange. I think the peach one is the perfect shade because it is orange and pink practically. I want to apply some glitter glue first because I want to put it only on the eyelid and maybe just a tiny bit on the crease, but not too much because I want to put this one on the crease. So let's do that as well. And it looks amazing, so it's the perfect shade for this. I will put a bit of this multi-chrome on top just for a bit of something else. Do I want to use the yellow in the inner corner? That could be too much. Maybe I'm gonna use the pastel pink. Yes, I think this one. Let's take a pencil brush for that and put it right here. Yes, it adds just a bit of something lighter. And then I will take another brush. I just have so many dirty brushes right now. And I'm gonna use just a bit of this dark shade just to intensify a bit right in here, a bit close to the lower lash. Let's do something with this liner. I already messed up, but it's okay. So something like this, but I'm gonna just make it better, and then I'm gonna do a wing liner, a black wing liner as well. Okay, so I did something. The line is far from perfect, but it's okay. I'm not doing graphic stuff, so it is what it is, and I'm not even doing normal wings like this, so I like it. I don't care. It's good enough for me at least. I applied a bit of black pencil on the top part of the lash line and then some killer liner in killer caramel in the waterline. So let's put some gloss on. This is the ABH clear one, like I mentioned. I think it smells like peaches. So let's apply a bit of this. So the gloss did something. I don't love the lips right now. It looks like a weird ombre or something, but I am pretty sure that it is my fault. I applied too much. We have two mascaras to test, not one, two. This is from a gift box. It is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, and I have a mini. And then I bought recently the Telescopic Lift Extra Black from L'Oreal. So I'm gonna do each on each eye and see how it looks. So this is how the one from L'Oreal looks. They are very different brushes. I think I'm gonna love the what I'm doing. I think I'm gonna love the milk one more. So these are the lashes with a first coat. This is the L'Oreal one and this one is the milk one. Let's put a second coat on. Again, L'Oreal and milk. I hope you can see something. I have a lot of colors on the eyes, so I think the milk one looks a bit more voluminous, but a bit clumpy. The telescopic is for sure better at separating the lashes. So this one from milk is more voluminous and my lashes are longer, so more lengthening. But this one is better at separating. So if you don't really love any clumps, this one could be an option because I don't have a lot of clumps. This one is just a bit more dramatic. They are both pretty black, so this is extra black. They are both pretty black, so that is that. I'm gonna apply some lashes and then I'm gonna be back for some final thoughts. Okay, lashes are done and I put some more orange blush because I really like it. And I did just blend the liner a bit of the lips and now it looks like a reverse ombre lips, so I kinda like it. So this is the final look. Let's do a quick roundup. The mascaras I for sure need to test more. Right now both look amazing, so I kind of like them both for now, but of course I need to see if they smudge or something like that. Usually mascaras are not smudging on me, so I don't have usually that problem, but who knows. The concealer doesn't look the best right now, but I need to test it more. It has potential. It did cover this pimple, so it has potential, but I need to test it without the foundation, primer, etc. Cheeks, 10 out of 10. I can't recommend the cream blush from Fenty enough. It's amazing, and the Rare Beauty bronzer as well. A really nice shade. I feel like it is cooler toned, but with these blushes and everything, it looks really natural, so I really enjoy it. What else? The gloss. The gloss is not sticky, so it is a clear gloss. Usually I really like clear glosses. The lip thingy, I need to test it more. I really like this color. I will update you on that in a future speed review and in future videos. The liner, I see the improvement. I think they did reformulate this one. I had previously a white one. It was not pigmented enough, but this one, it is pretty pigmented, and I can't say that it is easy to apply because it has this type of applicator, but it is good for stuff like this. I'm just not used to it because I usually use pens for eyeliners, so it's my own fault for this one. Maybe next time I'm gonna use a brush. Maybe it will be easier for me. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.